Well, there are some big concerns tonight about the growing number of West Virginians in nursing homes who are testing positive for coronavirus.
But Governor Jim Justice says he doesn't believe that the count is accurate. And now he is actually cracking down on just that. 13 News Chief Political Reporter Mark Curtis has the story.
Because of the high number of hotspots and facilities that care for the elderly, the governor has ordered the retesting of every patient and staff member of nursing homes. That's because there have been inaccuracies and discrepancies in initial test results. It's believed that has led to the spread of the disease at nursing homes and long-term care facilities, including some that have had deaths.
It keeps coming back to me over and over and over with some level of discrepancies. And to be perfectly honest, I'm sick and tired of listening to the discrepancies.
There are various nursing homes across the state of concern, including Riverside and Kanawha County, where 16 people tested positive, 8 of them today.
The residents that remain on site are doing well. We've been in contact with them throughout the night and throughout this morning, with the exception of the one that did have to go to the hospital yesterday evening. The ones that remain in-house are doing well.
Meanwhile, the governor and his staff are reviewing White House guidelines that could allow individual states to reopen. We asked him if a state like West Virginia, with just 12 county hotspots, might partially reopen in counties that are not hit hard.
And instead of waiting in every way until we resolve every single issue, it's absolutely a possibility.
President Trump says it will be up to individual governors to reopen their states and not the White House. Right now, there's no target date for opening West Virginia, at least partially or completely. The only certain date on the calendar is that schools are closed through April 30th, but we're told that date could change again, too. In Charleston, I'm Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
More than 600 West Virginia National Guards are on duty, and they are now helping with the testing and retesting of every employee and patient of all nursing homes throughout the Mountain State.